Alright YouTube, this is New Skater 26. Got another video for you guys real quick. For people who have Verizon wireless cell phone company. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to create your own ringtones. Well, first, what you gotta do, if you want a song, you go to mp3realm.org. I'll put the link in the side side over there, and then type in for the artist or whatever song you name. Better usually works better with the artist. And then I typed in Eminem real quick. So let's go to. We'll just go to another page. Here, select that, okay. And then you can click download to see if it's the right song. I'll turn my speaker up. That's the right song. So then you can close it down. You right click this download over there. Right click download. And click Save Target As. And then it'll come up and give you save it as something so you know what it is. Save. It'll save. And while you're waiting, you can open your mail source. It is 8% downloaded. Sorry, it takes a little while, but it's actually pretty worth it at the end because I've sent one already and it works.
I wish you taped it. I danced my ass off and had this one girl completely naked. Drink my beer. That party last night was awfully crazy. I wish you taped it. I danced my ass off and had this one girl completely naked. Drink my beer and smoke my weed. But my good friends is all I need. Pass out at 3, wake up at 10, go out to eat. Then do it again. Then I go to college.
That's Asher Roth's I Love College. I like that song a lot, kinda, now. Okay, it's 87% downloaded. Yeah, right here, this thing. I have Windows Vista, so I can look through pages, so you can see that, and see that. You can see if you're doing something else and you need to see what else is going on, you just do that. So that's how you can see my finger. That's how I can see my finger right there. Peace. Okay. It's done, so I can click close. Then, while you're opening, now you open up Windows Movie Maker. You go to Start. If you have this, you go to Windows Movie Maker. It should be under. Alright, mine's just right here. It's all right, alphabetical basically. And you open it. Then you go to Import Media. And you go. All I have to do is go to Recently Changed. So I go click, and I find it. Eminem, like that. Click Import. So then what you do is. I already have a song in there, so I'm going to take it. Then you drag it down here. Make sure you put it at 00. Then you can play it real quick. Oh, my bad.
The way you shake it, I can't believe it. I ain't never seen a dance like that. The way you move it.
Okay, so Verizon only allows 20 to 30 seconds for ringtones. So what you do is then you click. When you get this up here, what you do is you go over here. Go up over here. It says split. And you click it. And then it'll make it look like this. So it splits it like that. And what you can do is you can right click on it. click cut and get rid of that part. And you can move that part all the way up to the beginning. And you can drag it all the way up to the beginning. Sorry about that. Then you can, I'll click right here. I'll move this up to here, like that there. I'll click split again, and then you can cut it. And that's 20 seconds, a little over 20 seconds. And I'll play. Sorry about that.
I don't believe it. It's almost too good to be true.
And you can pause it. Then you go publish to this computer. Name it. You go. Tab. Next. And you click enter. Get up. No. And you can close that out, and you can close Windows Movie Maker out. Then you open up your email. You type in your phone number to your number at vzwpix.com. You attach file, and I made this, so you can make sure you save it as a WMA file. You click on it, open, click send, and it should come in. Mine usually comes pretty fast, but I don't know. That's just me. Whenever I send picture messages from this, I've done it before. It's easy. Yeah, so yeah, it's the new Skater 26. I'm gonna edit this video real quick. Try to edit this video with Windows Movie Maker, of course, and get it up on YouTube. Thanks. Oh.